Welcome back to KK Autos. Today we are diving into the all-new Dacia Dokker Camper 2026, a vehicle that has been built with one clear mission in mind: making the camper lifestyle more accessible, more practical, and more enjoyable than ever before. For years, Dacia has been known for creating reliable, affordable vehicles that deliver maximum value. And with the 2026 Dokker Camper, they've taken that philosophy into the world of compact motorhomes. Whether you're a weekend traveler, a digital nomad, or a family looking for adventure, this camper van has been designed to fit your lifestyle. From the outside, the first thing you'll notice is the modernized design. The 2026 Dokker Camper now wears a bolder, more refined look that balances ruggedness with elegance. The front fascia has been upgraded with a more prominent grille, sharp LED headlights, and a sportier bumper, giving the van a stronger road presence. Along the sides, you'll find clean, aerodynamic lines and wide sliding doors for easy entry. The higher roof option makes a big difference, not only improving headroom inside, but also giving the van a taller, more capable appearance. At the back, large vertical taillights and wide-opening doors highlight the practicality Dacia has always been famous for. It's a design that communicates functionality while still looking modern enough to stand out on the road. Step inside, and this is where the magic really happens. The Dokker Camper 2026 has been transformed into a compact, yet highly versatile living space. The cabin layout has been designed with intelligent use of every inch of space. The centerpiece is the foldable bed system that doubles as a lounge and dining area. During the day, you have comfortable seating with a small table that's perfect for meals, work, or socializing. At night, the same setup quickly transforms into a sleeping area that can comfortably fit 2 adults. Families also have the option of an additional pop-up roof bed, which makes this camper more versatile for longer journeys. Practicality is a priority here, and Dacia has integrated storage solutions everywhere. You'll find compartments under the seats, overhead lockers, and even slide-out drawers, giving you the ability to carry camping gear, cooking essentials, and personal items without cluttering the space. The kitchenette is compact but functional, featuring a small sink, a portable gas stove, and a fridge unit. This setup allows you to cook meals on the go without sacrificing too much space. Light plays an important role in the overall feel of the camper. Large side windows, skylights, and optional panoramic glass panels bring in plenty of natural light, making the cabin feel more spacious and airy. At night, LED ambient lighting creates a warm, cozy atmosphere that makes you feel right at home. The overall design is practical yet comfortable, striking the perfect balance between utility and relaxation. Technology has been integrated smartly into the Dokker Camper. The dashboard is equipped with a modern infotainment system featuring a large touchscreen with full Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Navigation, entertainment, and connectivity are all just a tap away, ensuring you never feel disconnected even while traveling through remote areas. The camper also comes with multiple USB charging ports, wireless charging options, and even smart energy management systems that let you monitor power usage when camping off-grid. Performance-wise, Dacia has made sure that the Dokker Camper isn't just a home on wheels, but also a reliable travel companion. The 2026 model offers a choice of efficient petrol and diesel engines, along with a new hybrid variant for eco-conscious buyers. Each option has been tuned for smooth long-distance cruising, with excellent fuel efficiency to make road trips more affordable. The suspension has been improved to deliver a comfortable ride across highways, as well as rougher rural roads, which is especially important for a camper van that's designed to explore beyond the city limits. Its compact dimensions also make it more maneuverable compared to larger motorhomes, meaning you can navigate narrow European roads or city streets with ease while still enjoying all the benefits of a camper lifestyle. Safety is another area where Dacia has stepped up its game. The Dokker Camper 2026 comes with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking assist. These technologies not only enhance safety, but also reduce fatigue during long drives. Combined with Dacia's reputation for durability, This camper provides peace of mind on every journey. Now let's talk about one of the most important factors: pricing. Dacia has built its reputation around affordability, and the Dokker Camper is no exception. While official prices may vary depending on trim level and optional packages, the 2026 model is expected to be one of the most budget-friendly camper vans available. Compared to premium motorhome brands, the Dokker Camper delivers similar practicality at a fraction of the cost, making the camper lifestyle achievable for many who thought it was out of reach. This affordability, paired with reliability, is what makes the Dokker Camper 2026 such a compelling choice. In conclusion, the all-new Dacia Dokker Camper 2026 is a brilliant mix of innovation, practicality, and affordability. It offers everything you need to enjoy life on the road without overcomplicating things. From its modern exterior design and smartly arranged interior to its reliable performance and advanced safety features, this camper van truly redefines budget-friendly adventure.